1. Abstinence, abstinence. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, the act of voluntarily refraining from indulging in certain activities, usually related to food, drink, or pleasure. Sentence, as part of his fitness regimen, he practiced abstinence from sugary foods and beverages. Synonyms, temperance, self-control, restraint, sobriety. Antonym, indulgence, excess, indulgence. 2. Abstract, abstract. Part of speech, adjective/noun/verb. Meaning, as an adjective, existing in thought or as a concept rather than a concrete or physical form. As a noun, a summary or concise statement of the essential content of a longer document or work. As a verb, to extract or remove something. Sentence, the artist's abstract painting left room for interpretation and subjective meaning. Synonyms. When used as adjective, conceptual, theoretical, non-representational. When used as noun, summary, synopsis, digest. When used as verb, extract, remove, separate. Antonyms. Adjective, concrete, tangible, specific. Noun, detail, expansion, elaboration. Verb, insert, add, incorporate. 3. Abstruse, abstruse. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, difficult to understand, obscure or highly complex. Sentence, the professor's lecture on quantum physics was too abstruse for most of the students to comprehend. Synonyms, esoteric, cryptic, enigmatic, intricate. Antonyms, clear, simple, straightforward, comprehensible. 4. Abusive, abusive. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, involving or characterized by harmful, offensive, or violent treatment towards others, using language or behavior that is insulting or cruel. Sentence, the boss was fired for his abusive behavior towards his employees. Synonyms, offensive, harmful, cruel, oppressive.
Copyright.
Antonyms,
Cogent Insights.
respectful, kind, considerate, gentle. 5. Abut, abut. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to be adjacent to or have a common boundary with something, to be next to or touch upon something. Sentence, their backyard abuts the beautiful forest, providing a stunning view from their home. Synonyms, adjoin, border, neighbor, touch. Antonyms, separate, distant, apart, disconnected. 6. Abysmal, abysmal. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, extremely bad or appalling in quality or extent, immeasurably deep or great. Sentence, the team's performance in the game was abysmal, resulting in a humiliating defeat. Synonyms, terrible, dreadful, atrocious, profound. Antonyms, excellent, exceptional, outstanding, shallow. 7. Abyss, abyss. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a deep or seemingly bottomless chasm or void, a wide and profound difference between people, viewpoints, or situations. Sentence, the shipwreck sank into the abyss of the ocean, never to be seen again. Synonyms, gulf, chasm, void, abyssal pit. Antonyms, peak, summit, pinnacle, apex. 8. Academic, academic. Part of speech, adjective/noun. Meaning, adjective, relating
Copyright.
to education,
Cogent
teaching,
Insights.
or scholarly pursuits, theoretical rather than practical. Noun, a person engaged in academic study or research, a member of a university or educational institution. Sentence. Adjective, the academic community was excited about the new research findings. Noun, she aspired to become an academic and pursue a career in higher education. Synonyms. Adjective, scholarly, educational, intellectual. Noun, scholar, professor, educator. Antonyms. Adjective, practical, vocational, non-academic. Noun, layperson, non-expert, non-scholar. 9. Accede, accede. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to agree to a request, demand, or proposal, to give consent or yield to a superior force or authority. Sentence, the government decided to accede to the demands of the protesters and implement the suggested reforms. Synonyms, consent, agree, accept, comply. Antonyms, refuse, reject, deny, resist. 10. Accelerate, accelerate. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to increase the speed, rate, or progress of something, to move or develop faster. Sentence, the company plans to accelerate the production process to meet the growing demand for its products. Synonyms, speed up, quicken, hasten, advance. Antonyms, slow down, decelerate, retard, hinder. 11. Accessible, accessible. Part of speech, adjective.
KOGENT INSIGHTS.
Meaning, easy to approach, enter, or use, obtainable or available. Sentence, the newly constructed building is fully accessible to people with disabilities. Synonyms, available, reachable, obtainable, approachable. Antonyms, inaccessible, unreachable, unattainable, exclusive. 12. Accessory, accessory. Part of speech, noun/adjective. Meaning. Noun, an additional object or item used to complement or enhance something else, a non-essential but desirable item. Adjective, contributing to a secondary or supportive role, not central or essential. Sentence. Noun, she wore a stylish hat as an accessory to complete her outfit. Adjective, the necklace was merely an accessory to her stunning dress. Synonyms. Noun, add-on, embellishment, attachment. Adjective, secondary, supplementary, auxiliary. Antonyms. Noun, essential, necessity, requirement. Adjective, primary, essential, fundamental. 13. Acclaim, acclaim. Part of speech, noun/verb. Meaning. Noun, enthusiastic approval, praise, or public recognition of achievement. Verb, to praise or welcome enthusiastically and publicly. Sentence. Noun, the actor received critical acclaim for his outstanding performance in the play. Verb, the author's latest book was acclaimed by both critics and readers. Synonyms. Noun, praise,
Copyright,
applause,
KOGENT
recognition,
INSIGHTS.
fame. Verb, praise, applaud, hail, commend. Antonyms. Noun, criticism, disapproval, censure. Verb, criticize, condemn, denounce. 14. Acclimate, acclimate. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to adapt or adjust to a new climate, environment, or situation. Sentence, it took her some time to acclimate to the extreme heat of the desert. Synonyms, adapt, adjust, accommodate, get used to. Antonyms, disregard, reject, resist, oppose. 15. Acclivity, acclivity. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, an upward slope or incline, an ascending gradient. Sentence, the hikers struggled to climb the steep acclivity of the mountain. Synonyms, incline, slope, ascent, uphill. Antonyms, decline, descent, downhill, downgrade.